What a wonderful day of fishing we had in Fujairah today after a long time. We ended up catching a lot of tunas and a lot of other different fishes. And the most exciting part was when the captain struck the huge marlin. Wow, what a size it was. But unfortunately we couldn't land up the marlin because obviously we were not prepared for it. We did not have the gear that was required to catch a huge fish like that. As we were fishing, we also came across some groups of dolphins which were swimming around. We did have some fun chasing them, and overall in the end it was a very good day of fishing.
Let's go!
What's the catch, Captain, today?
Tuna, Shalom.
Strike. Yeah, come on. Early morning, first drop, first strike. Super start to the day. I got it on the drop. My fish is up. My fish is up. First fish, first strike of the morning. Yeah, Raja fish on. Captain Ali on strike too.
What fish is this?
Raja on strike. Captain Ali on strike.
Captain. Trevally.
Hey, Trevally. Oh, oh, it's a huge.
Wow. What a beauty, man. Go.
Nice try.
Wow.
It's a big Trevally.
First big Trevally.
It's your first big Trevally, yeah? Take it, huh? Yes, come on, Raja, big Trevally. That's a huge one. Wow. Captain Ali fish on. The captain's time now. Ah, it's a hamur, it's a snapper, small one. Yeah, small hamur. Second strike of the day. It's coming that way.
Captain Ali is ready to pick up the tuna.
Strong, huh?
Come on, Cyprian, get him home. Yeah, nice, decent sized tuna. Here you go. Fish number 2, 4. And a happy fisherman.
Second of the day. Oh no.
You can touch him.
So,
See what Aaron has got. Captain, show you the fish. It's a powerful fish.
come on, Ronald, fish on. Oh no, bro. Gone. Shit, that's bad. Come on, guys, third strike for the day. Missed. Yeah.
Raja is fighting his fish on one side, and Cyprian is fighting the second fish. Third fish, sorry. Landed. Come on, happy
Awesome day.
fisherman.
Third catch of the day.
Careful, Lloyd.
Come on. Ooh. This is the 5th tuna on the boat.
Tuna's giving Ali a hard time. Ah, the hook. Oh, big size. It's good size. Yeah.
The weight.
Yes. Yeah. See, Hamur. Hamur for Raja. Or a sail. Wow, we are on something big here. No, it's not a shark, Ray.
Guys, retrieve, huh?
Big one.
Very big.
Very big one.
Very big. Take your time, Captain. 1 hour. No, but this small.
Yeah, we
Line is small.
Also the what's name? These are 30.
will try.
All rods behind, huh?
Oh, he jumped. No.
All went on his first strike of the day.
Looks easy. Maybe it's a small fish on the line.
But still, it's a start. Oh, big one. Full way. Come on, Aaron, fish on. Captain Ali on strike, Aaron on strike. Come on, good going, guys. Good going. Easy.
Oh, 2 fish, see? 2 lines, see? See, where is your line? No, that cause problem, but then cut the line.
You are on line.
Down or up?
No, you are on line. Come. Captain, down.
Let's see. No, up.
Up.
Problem is we have 2 tunas circling the boat. High chances of getting tangled. Oh, good. The third angler on strike. Raja is on strike as well. Come on, good going, guys. Good going. Nice. Aaron's fish is up.
Wow, that's a big one.
Yeah. At last. At last. At last. Come on, Raja. You're next.
This one is
Next, Raja. Let's see what's Captain Ali up to. Captain Ali pulling his fish too. It's running away. Ah, it's up already. Can see it. Can see there. It's there.
Hamur, you can just pick him up.
Oh, nice one.
Beautiful.
Good one.
Wow.
Oh, nice.
Very nice.
Nice one, Raja. Nice Hamur. Good Hamur. Yeah. gave us a shower. Give me, I'll pull it up. Big one. Big one. Come on, my fourth strike of the day for me.
What color? You not see my boat?
This is the rule, Captain. We have to keep it.
I'm a fish on, and there's a yacht, a big yacht that's passing by, so we have to move. I'm dragging the fish along with me. It's nice.
They can do good horse fishing. Don't go there.
This coming down also, huh?
That also looks expensive. What? Shake one.
Woo! My fourth fish for the day.
Congratulations.
Having a good day. Only Alwan on his second strike, and you can see the fish running. Looks like a tuna. Oh, Ronald with a hamur. Yes, that's Alwan's first tuna. First tuna ever. Been trying for so long. Okay. Almost there. Oh, rounding round. Hey, big one.
So now when you do the
It's a big one. What the? What the?
It's okay. Next one. Next one.
What fish is this?
Trumpet, correct.
It's a trumpet fish. Leave it.
Send him back.
Put him back.
Same like crab.
Let it go.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Come on, get him home this time, Alwan.
I hope I land this one. Come on, man. What a pressure.
Shit. That yellow. Okay. Hamur. Oh, nice one.
Oh, no, this is it.
Oh, rock one. Oh, wow. काढ आता तरी काढा. अरे वा क्या दरी. Custard size. Good one.
Oh, chalo. That's a good one.
Come on, Aaron. Tuna. This one is tuna, sure.
Yeah, tuna.
Bonito.
All of a sudden, Wally found his rhythm. Hamur rhythm. Hamood after hamood is taking. No, tuna. Oh, it's a tuna.
FG not
FG not ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. At last, all one has his tuna. Yeah, it's not a tuna. Trevally. Oh, and tummy. Heading back to shore after a very tiring day of fishing, but we caught a lot of fish.
Very, very tiring.
Guys, a wonderful day of fishing in Fujairah.
Today's catch of the day, boys.
It's a wonderful day.